Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 7 over 4 secant of t, because if I put this one going here, we have 49 over 16 secant of t square. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify by dx. After doing simplify number 16 and factorization by number 49. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 7 over 4 secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one going here. Dx we change by this one. So this one we have 49 over 16 secant of t square. So we need to simplify number 16. Number 16 we have 49. 49 we can do about factorization. And now we need to simplify 7 over 4 and 49. We have 1 over 28. This one we change tan t square. So we need to simplify tan t. We have secant of t over tan t dt. This one we change 1 over cosine t over sin t over cosine t. And now we simplify and we got 1 over sin t. This one we have cosecant of t. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 28 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by 7 over 4. And now you got about t equals to secant of 4s over 7. And now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.